Okay, so we've been talking about measurement, and I have something to show you called the T-Bag rocket. This is gonna tie into that whole measurement thing. So I use this T-Bag Lipton. It's Lipton Iced Tea Brew. Sometimes not all teas work the same way, but Lipton Iced Tea Brew tends to work well. When you have a tea bag, you're gonna have a little string coming off the end like this. And if you wanna take the staple out, you can. An easy way to set this thing up is just to take a scissors and cut the top end off like so. This is gonna stink a little bit, but I wanna keep it off your hands, but we only need the tea bag. We don't need the contents of it, so the tea bag can be dropped, the tea can be dropped out, and then you make it into like a little tube, like this. Okay. Tea bag goes here, and as a precaution, if you do this at home, make sure you have adult supervision because we are using fire. Here we go. Just watch what happens. And I'm going to ask that you explain why it's doing what it's doing. We'll torch that baby up. And then magically what's going to happen is that thing's going to maybe take off like a rocket. It goes straight up in the air, which is kind of weird. And then it comes right down into my hand. Now this looks different when it first started. Is that still a tea bag?
Yeah.
Okay, kinda. It doesn't really look like a tea bag. It looks like it's smaller too. So where did the rest of the tea bag go? Here, man.
Turned into a gas.
So it turned into something else, right? It turned into a gas. Did it turn into a different substance?
Yes.
Yeah. So maybe it turned into water, some water vapor, some carbon dioxide, some carbon. It turned into something else. It couldn't just disappear. Next question I have for you is why did the tea bag go up? Yeah, what do you think?
Heat makes things rise.
So heat makes things rise. You've been lied to for many years. So heat doesn't necessarily make things rise. Heat is a transfer of energy. Let's try this. So I'm going to have you take your hands and put them on your desk like this. And I'm going to have you take your hands and put them on the metal chair legs. Now take your hands and put them back up on here. Now put your hands on the metal chair legs. Boom, which one's colder? Chair legs are colder, but really not. They're the same temperature. But the chair legs feel colder, right? You got some heat in your body that's being transferred. There's energy in your body that's being transferred. And that transfer of energy, that's called heat. So heat didn't necessarily make this rise, but it did rise. What's going on there? It was hot because it was on fire. Yeah?
The fire was creating a low pressure zone over the tea bag, causing the high pressure zone underneath and causing it to float up and rise.
So something about pressures may be happening there, right? And we also have a hypothesis as to why that thing went up in the air. Why do hot air balloons go up? Yeah, what do you think? Yeah.
Could it be density?
Density, okay, density. That's a great term. What does density mean? Yeah.
How much like the water and how much the other object above it like is because the object is like kind of a lower density than the thing that's underneath it. It'll float.
So if something's less dense, it's probably going to float up, right? So if the tea bag was less dense than the air around it, it's going to go up just like a hot air balloon. We heat that air up inside, it becomes less dense. And that's kind of the idea there. And we'll continue that discussion tomorrow.